Okay, I need to tell you something important. No, nobody died. But have you checked the news lately? New virus, new headlines, same energy as 2020. And if you remember 2020, you remember one thing. People who were prepared were fine. People who weren't, well, they panic bought toilet paper and cried into their empty savings account. Today, we're making sure you are in the first group. Let's go. Hey, I'm Alex. And before you say, Alex, you're being dramatic. Yes, maybe. But dramatic people who prep their finances sleep better at night. So, here are 5 things to do with your money right now if a pandemic is coming. And honestly, do them anyway. Pandemic or not, this is just good money hygiene. Step 1, the boring one, the one everyone skips, the emergency fund. Here's what happened in 2020. Millions of people lost their jobs in literally 2 weeks. 2 weeks! And most of them had zero savings buffer. Zero. So, the rule is simple. 3 to 6 months of expenses sitting in a high-yield savings account. Not crypto, not stocks. Cash. Boring, beautiful, accessible cash. How much is that for you? Take your monthly expenses, rent, food, subscriptions you forgot about, multiply by 4. That's your target. If you don't have it yet, start today. Even $200 a month gets you there faster than doing nothing. Step 2. This one is hard. Ready? Do not sell. I know, the market drops 30%. Your portfolio looks like a bad report card. Every instinct says, sell, sell, sell. But here's the thing, and I need you to tattoo this on your brain. The market has recovered from every single crash in history. Every one. Spanish flu 1918, Black Monday 1987, 2008, 2020. Every time. The people who sold in March 2020 locked in their losses. The people who held, or better yet, bought more, doubled their money by 2021. Panic is not a strategy. Patience is. Step 3. If your entire portfolio is in one thing, one stock, one sector, one country, we need to talk. Diversification is basically the financial version of not putting all your eggs in one basket, except the basket in this scenario is on fire and someone called it a pandemic. What does diversification look like for a normal person? Simple. Index funds, S&P 500, total market. Some bonds or stable assets for cushion. Maybe a tiny bit of gold. Yes, boring, but it actually holds during crises. And keep some cash, like we said in step 1. You don't need to be Warren Buffett, you just need to not have everything in one place. Okay, step 4, and this one's my favorite because most finance channels skip it entirely. Your investments don't matter if you lose your income. Think about the jobs that got wrecked in 2020. Restaurants, travel, retail, events. Now think about the jobs that did fine or even boomed. Tech, healthcare, logistics, remote work. So ask yourself honestly, if your industry shut down tomorrow, what would you do? Do you have a skill you could freelance with? Could you work remotely? Do you have even one other income stream? I'm not saying quit your job. I'm saying build a side skill now while everything is calm, because when the chaos hits, it's too late to learn. One online course, one freelance client, one digital product, that's all it takes to have a plan B. Last step, and this one stings a little. Go open your bank app right now, look at your subscriptions. Yeah, I know, there's at least 3 things in there you forgot about. The gym membership you use mentally, the streaming service you haven't opened since that one show ended, the app that charges you $12 a month and you genuinely have no idea what it does. Cut them, not because you're broke, but because in a crisis, every dollar you're not burning becomes a dollar you can deploy somewhere useful. This isn't about being cheap, it's about being intentional. Okay, real talk for a second. Maybe there's no pandemic coming, maybe 2026 is completely fine, and I made a dramatic video for nothing. I genuinely hope so. But here's the thing, everything I just told you, emergency fund, diversification, income streams, cutting waste, that's just good financial hygiene, pandemic or not. The people who win financially aren't the ones who predicted the crash. They're the ones who were already ready. Be ready. If this video helped you, subscribe, because I make this stuff simple every single week. And drop a comment. What's your financial weak spot right now? I read everyone. See you in the next one.